about his life and future. He's never satisfied with what he was. The more he gets, the more he wants. He is full of desires and ambition. Aim is a leading star in life. It brings our efforts to one point. There are as many aims as the man. Everyone wants own choice. Some want to be a doctor and some other to be an engineer. I have also an ambition in my life. My thinking is quite different. I want to become a teacher. No doubt. Teaching is a low-paid profession. I think no one can pay the services of a teacher. It is a teacher who makes and guides them to their goal in life. I like to study more and more and get a lot of knowledge. This is the innate reason of my choice. I can fulfill this desire and can more learn about the history of the nation, the mankind and the world. Those days are not far when I will be able to see my dream fulfilled. Wassalam. Thank you.